Dear students, welcome to this lesson. We are in Unit 5, Lesson 6. This topic is mainly set for the sake of writing competition or writing task. As you know, the Unit 5 consists of two types of compositions or two types of writing tasks. One of them about your great holiday have you ever had? And the other one about advice to tourists in Iraq. So when you read this article or when you read this topic, you will learn how to set a convenient writing task, and your composition should contain how was your journey, how was the food, how was the hotel, and how was the activities. Sorry, how were the activities? Okay, so I'm going to read for you, and then I will send you as a PDF with vocabularies, synonyms, and antonyms that are very important according to this topic. The atmosphere was really peaceful. Scan the text about the holiday in Tunisia. Find one piece of information about each of the following: the journey, the food, the hotel, and the activities. My cousin and I have recently returned from a wonderful fortnight in the Tunisian Kerkena Islands. It was a package deal and cost us £180. This included the flight from London to Sfax, bus transfers to and from Sfax Airport, and the ferry to and from the island. The accommodation was in the 3-star hotel with breakfast and dinner every day. The cost even included entertainment in the evening. I couldn't believe how cheap it was. From Sfax Airport, we were taken to the ferry port, where we boarded a rather old ferry. It took us across to the islands, which looked really beautiful in the evening sun. We were delighted that our hotel overlooked the beach and was just a short walk away. Although not very luxurious, it was a really pleasant 2-story building that was set in an attractive garden with its own swimming pool and tennis courts. Our room had its own private bathroom and balcony with a spectacular view of the calm blue Mediterranean Sea. The atmosphere was really peaceful. That's what I liked. The food was exceptionally good. There was a self-service buffet in the dining room with a variety of dishes, both regional and international. You could eat as much as you wanted. Breakfast consisted of fruit, cereal, eggs, cakes, bread, honey, olives, and cheese. There was a different section of dishes for supper every night, and there was a lot of great seafood. I loved the octopus, which is a specialty in Kerkena. We weren't bored for a moment. One day, we hired a taxi and went on a tour of the island. We saw the villages where the fishermen catch octopus in clay pots. Another day, we went for a camel ride on the on the beach, and we even hired surfboards from the hotel and learned to windsurf. We also went for a ride in a donkey cart and toured some villages. what really impressed me was the hospitality of the local people. Several islanders invited us into their homes for a mint tea and cakes. We also took the ferry back to the mainland to see the magnificent Roman theater at El Jem. Something else that we really enjoyed was the free entertainment in the hotel after supper. One evening, a faker and his team gave an incredible display of lying on bed of nails and glass, walking over hot coals, breathing fire, and letting scope horns walk over their faces. We shall certainly never forget that holiday. Anna Johnson, reading Berkshire. So after reading this text, I think I should mention some information that is wanted. The journey. How was the journey? Okay, the journey was wonderful fortnight. So it was for 2 weeks. Fortnight means 2 weeks. And the place is Tunisian Karkana Island. The hotel as it is written here is 3 stars hotel, which is overlooked the beach. Okay, and the food was exceptionally good, and there was self-service buffet in the dining room and variety dishes, and also you can see seafood is a specialty in Karkana as an example. The activities means what did they do in the trip or during their trip. Of course, we can have many examples. For example, they hired a taxi and went on tour of the island. They saw villages where the fishermen catch octopus and clay pots, and they went for a ride in a donkey cart. And what really impressed them is the hospitality of local people and magnificent Roman theater, also the free entertainment in the hotel. All these are activities happened in or during the trip. Okay, so pay attention for these things. You have to mention them in your writing tasks. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the coming lessons.